Meaning of Ed Sullivan.
Ed Sullivan.
Ed Sullivan.
Ed Sullivan.
Ed Sullivan. Ed Sullivan was an American television personality and entertainment icon who hosted a popular variety show from 1948 to 1971. The Ed Sullivan Show featured a diverse range of performers, including musicians, comedians, actors, and dancers, and was a cultural touchstone for many Americans during its time on the air. Sullivan was known for his distinctive voice, stiff and formal presentation style, and his ability to spot and showcase up-and-coming talent. He is remembered today as one of the most influential figures in the history of television and popular culture.